close to the net. Regalo. Regalo pa rin yan. Hindi lang ma-pound sa pan ng TIP. Ang dapat palo na yun eh. Verano. Layog. Out.
Sayang yun. Wasted opportunity for TIP.
Nagigil eh.
Oo. Tsaka doon na siya nakaharap. Doon pa rin niya inanggulo.
For fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. You're watching the Shakey's V-League here on GMA News TV. And that is out of reach. 12-9. We have nearly a full house here today. Just only a few spots that are open.
Good serve.
Madayag, and that is out of reach.
And they're enjoying this game, ha? The Lady Eagles celebrating those points.
Lady Eagles, they, alam mo, pag ikaw yung favored, you sort of have this feeling, okay, let's switch it on, switch it off. But it's scary. Suddenly, if TIP suddenly says, okay, we're done fooling around. But they have to do now, not in the third set. No! Alanganin, Alyssa just made do. Valdez just knows how to read the defense.
Yeah. Ito pinagtatrabaho talaga niya.
I think she takes that moment because of that hand time you were talking. She takes that moment, what will I do now?
And yung adjustment diba? Nangyayari talaga.
I will be blocked here, but can I ricochet it off the block so we keep possession?
So, may power yung atake niya, pero yung importante doon yung pagbabasa kung saan mo sundalin.
Yeah. Oh, double. Masungit si referee Del Rosario doon.
Hindi makakalusot.
Tingin ko, setter din to. Hindi masyadong magaling doon sa skill na yan. Alyssa! Bang! It's inside. Yes. 16-10 is the tally here. We'll have more volleyball after this. International schedules, www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide. Time to meet Leah Holman, 14 years old, from Quezon City. She is our Shakey's V-League face of the game. She has a pizza that she can share with her friends in the audience. 16-10 is the count here. And this is into the net. Stan. Boy, too many, huh? Boy, I fear for the practice of Ateneo tomorrow.
Maraming service, siguro.
We'll work on nothing but serves. That's boring practice, you know? Diba? Pag yun lang ang gagawin, I know it's necessary.
It's gonna be part of it.
Yeah, but if it's mostly that, kaboring, ano?
Well, the past 2 days, blocking naman ang focus nila.
Wow, yes.
So, yun ang report ni Miyaka kanina. TIP has to find the way kung paano sila makaka-opensa.
Hitting hard. And TIP needs to talk things over.
Kasi napapalo sigurado eh. Pagkakit sa doon kahit ng bola. Pagtalula sa pera. Diba? At kung sa inyo, pagka pumapla kayo, huwag ka na magsiksikan doon sa harap. Yung tatlo. Pumunta ka na dito sa dulo. Okay, mag-block. Huwag ka nang pumunta ko sa gitna. Siya na lang sa trigger. Diba? Para masalod mo itong baseline. Ha? Ayusin natin yung nakuha natin ng bola. Kapatay natin, kapatay lang natin yung usahan natin. Kapatay natin, kapatay natin yung bola.
Of TIP. From a perspective of, hindi tayo ganito maglaro eh. You should check this ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. I mean, really, regardless of the opposition, they're disappointed. They sort of sense that they can play better than this.
That's right. Actually, I'm looking at some numbers right now and talagang hirap itong TIP because so far here in this set, they've only scored 2 attack points. Most of their score, talagang nakuha rin nila mula sa errors ng Ateneo.
The service errors of Ateneo mostly. 19-11 is the count. It's in the air. Acuna. She was too deep under the ball.
Miscalculated that one. Layo niya eh.
He's really
good serve by Valdez. And yun pa yung isang hirap na nahihirapan ng TIP. No? They're unable to receive the ball and give it to the setter. So hindi sila makapag-set up ng maayos na play.
First set going 25-16. Walang opensa.
Walang opensa dahil yun hirap din sila sa kanilang reception.
Tianco Williams reporting back in. Maraginot jumping out. But Ateneo has gone almost throughout with Eliza. In the first game they played against UST, they did not use Eliza at all. Meantime, that's outside and it's 21-12. The serve in play.
Good dig.
Here's De La Cruz. Tan. Si De Leon, when she gets full extension, she's hard to stop.
And hindi rin nakakasabay yung blockers ng TIP, so leaves a lot of area.
Even if you anticipate the quick, this is a tall Ateneo team. This is a new generation. Out. Too many. And Coach Tai Bundit can't believe he
napakamot na lang.
Wala na ito.
Pisngi itong si Coach Tai. Well, they have such a huge lead, but I guess for Coach Tai, hindi naman sa panalo lang yan. It's also yung kung gaano kaayos yung quality ng laro. He's a perfectionist.
Dami tinawag. Si Kekiliana, tinawag niya ulit. Eto, Mintis, and TIP takes the point. 22-14. It's now a matter of when do you come in. For Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Fidel serve. And Gakiliana and a new face, Dungo. For Ateneo, this is Pamela Dungo seeing action for the first time, pulling out Amy Ahumiro. Gakiliana will replace Tan. I wonder who the center will be. It should be interesting. Valdez is giddy about the whole thing. Parang kilig na kilig si Eliza about this.
Nakatawa siya. Well, she always is she's always smiling. So
whether ma-frustrate, ma-disappoint, alis dyan, sabi ni Dungo. Gakiliana strike being played out. It's in the air. Regalo. Gakiliana. Long and out.
Nakatawa pa rin si Eliza.
Sabi sa akin ni Mosi, huwag ko na daw intindihin yung pag tumatawa yung mga babae. Huwag ko na raw pilitin.
Hayaan mo na, gano'n.
Gets ko na lang daw. Ang ingay ni Ahumiro doon sa tabi. Dungo.
Importante yan. You cheer for your teammates.
And I think it's always true in any team. And when the bench player gets an opportunity to see action, natutuwa ang buong team. Ateneo icing the second set and now has a 2-0 lead. They take it through the serve, shaky, shake, and play. We will get this game ready for you and to continue with its third set just after these important messages.